do it in Spanish?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Inglés, seguro. All right, listen. This is the main operator station for the generator. Okay. This has several pages within inside to tell you what's going on with the engine. This for phase select. This is what tells you your voltage and amperage on each leg when it transfers when the generator is on emergency power. As you click here, you'll see here it starts to cycle through A phase, B phase, and C phase. This readout will display what's on each phase and each leg of the circuit. Okay? Down here are all your alarms and your monitors for the generator. You have battery voltage, you have time run, you have frequency, oil pressure, water temperature. These are your alarms. You can cycle through using the engine meter. If you press it once, it locks it into the reading. Okay? If you press it twice, you can start cycling through each one. So if you see here, this is 344 hours. It's not running right now, so there is no engine speed. There is oil pressure, it's 0 because it's not running. And water temperature, 90 degrees, which is about normal. Technically, when you have an issue in an alarm, you're going to enter into the alarm codes. We're not going to get into detail here because you can actually change configurations, and you don't need to ever get into that. Okay. So, but basically, this is the fundamental operation of this. You already know how the emergency stop works.
Yes.
If you were to depress the emergency stop, you're going to have an alarm, right? You're going to reset that alarm by turning the system off, turning it back in auto. Okay? So if in any case there's an alarm, it shuts down, you get any warning lights here. You're not 100% sure to do a quick reset, turn it off, turn it back in auto. And that's going to reset all your alarms inside the controller. This is your annunciator panel. As you get an alarm, it's going to go through and it's going to explain if it's a high temperature alarm, a low coolant alarm, a low oil pressure alarm, so on and so forth.